Welcome. Today we'll learn about trials clauses in Python. In this session, we'll explore how Python's trials clause structure allows you to handle errors gracefully and execute code only when no exception occurs. This is one of those Python features that adds clarity and precision to exception handling. What is what is a trials clause? The trials clause is a part of Python's exception handling structure. The key idea is simple. The else block runs only if no exception occurs inside the try block. If an error is raised, the except block handles it and the else section is completely skipped. This helps you separate normal successful code from your error handling logic. So let's look at the syntax. We have a short code here. So here's what will happen. If the user enters a valid number, no exception is raised and the else block run. But if they type a non-numeric value, the except block handles it and skips the else section. So let's give it a try. See, here it's an input, so I'm entering say 2. So I'm entering 2 and so it's a valid number that we have entered. So let's run this again and now we can just try with decimal. It's an invalid input because it will only have like a num, right? So let's break down how the try else flow actually works. The code inside try runs first. If an exception occurs, Python immediately jumps to the except block. If no exception happens, then and only then the else block executes itself. Finally, if there is a finally block, it runs no matter what success or failure is. That gives you total control over how you can uh, run this. So why we have to use these trials? It clearly separates what you expect to work from what might fail. It ensures the else part runs only after successful try, and it makes debugging easier because your success logic isn't mixed with exception handling. So to summarize, the else block runs only if no exception is raised. It keeps success logic separate from your error handling code. It's perfect for input validation, conversions, and file handling, and it makes your code more organized and professional. Thanks for watching this video.